हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बहुत सारे फ्रेजल वर्ब विथ एग्जाम्पल, जिससे आप अपनी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशंस को और भी ज़्यादा बेहतर कर सकते हैं। सो दीज आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फ्रेजल वर्ब।
Break down, torna, break down, torna. For example, the car broke down on the way to the airport. The car broke down on the way to the airport. Next, come across, milna, come across, milna. For example, I came across an interesting book at the library. I came across an interesting book at the library. Next, give up, give up, छोड़ देना. For example, don't give up on your dreams. Keep working towards them. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep working towards them. Next, look forward to. Look forward to. बेमंजूर होना. For example, I look forward to meeting you at the conference. I look forward to meeting you at the conference. Bring up, bring up, परवरिश देना, परवरिश देना. For example, it's essential to bring up children to in a loving environment. It's essential to bring up children in a loving environment. Next, run out of, run out of, ख़त्म होना, ख़त्म होना. For example, we run out of milk, so I need to go to the store. We run out of milk, so I need to go to the store. Next, look up, look up. It means तलाश करना, तलाश करना. For example, you can look up the definition of any word or line. You can look up the definition of any word or line. Next, set up, set up. कायम करना, कायम करना. Example, they worked together to set up a new business. They worked together to set up a new business. Next, take off, take off. उठाना, उठाना. Example, the plane is scheduled to take off an hour. The plane is scheduled to take off in an hour. Next, go on, go on. It means हो रहा है, हो रहा है. For example, the show must go on despite technical difficulties. The show must go on despite technical difficulties. Next, come up with, come up with. It means साथ आना, साथ आना. For example, she always comes up with creative solutions to problems. She always comes up with creative solutions to problems. Next, break up, break up. ताल्लुक ख़त्म होना, ताल्लुक ख़त्म होना. For example, unfortunately their relationship had to break up. Unfortunately their relationship had to break up. Next, look out, look out. It means होशियार रहना, होशियार रहना. It means, for example, look out for traffic when crossing the streets. Look out for the traffic when crossing the street. Next, bring in, bring in. It means लाना, it means लाना. For example, the company decide to bring in a new policy. The company decide to bring in a new policy. Next, next, give in, give in. It means हार मानना, हार मानना. Sometimes it's okay to give in and accept help. Sometimes it's okay to give in and accept help. Next, show up. Show up. It means हाजिर होना. हाजिर होना. For example, make sure to show up on time for the meeting. Make sure to show up on time for the meeting. Next, bring back. Bring back. It means वापसी लाना. It means वापसी लाना. For example, the vacation photos bring back wonderful memories. The vacation photos bring back wonderful memories. Next, fill out. Fill out. It means pur karna. Pur karna. For example, please fill out the form with your personal information. Please fill out the form with your personal information. Next, look after. Look after. It means देखभाल करना. देखभाल करना. For example, the older siblings looks after the younger ones. The older siblings looks after the younger ones. I hope you learned something new from this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I really need your support. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.